Hey everybody. Alright, my dudes. So, woke up today and I'm thinking, let me see if all these DBZ characters are really just Goku with a few little changes. So, we got here some Goku hair. So, let's see if we can prove this to be right or not. So, let's start with Yamcha, I guess, right? Let's bring that in here. We have the hair. Scale that out. May need to change it a bit, but we'll make it work. Bring it down a little bit more. Yep. Looks about right. So what we can do is get a little bit of color. Get that ear going. Bro, that's Goku right there. Just saying. Just with some scars. Like, you take away these scars, let's go. Let's just get rid of some of this. I should probably get like an airbrush just so I can blend in a little bit. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, let's do another one. Let's go with Trunks next. Let me see. Maybe we need it to be a little bit smaller. Yeah, that looks about right. Alright, so let's see. Gotta get rid of. Oh, I need to change my brush. Let's compare. 1 to 1 to add the ears. I'll bring them out here. That should be good enough. Need a little bit of the line work. Get some of that in. Let's finish coloring the hair. Bringing it down. There we go. For whatever reason, it doesn't seem like the ears are fitting in that well. I think it's good enough. Bring that in a bit. Bam. Alright, let's see. Airbrush. that's good enough. Let's see. Oh, Tien is a good one. It's another pretty much Goku. Although his eyes are a little bit slanted, so he does look just a little bit different. Just bring that down to the ear. I don't think I even have to add much of anything. Maybe just bring that in a bit. Pretty much it. And erase a little bit here for the ear. Alright. Let's see, Vegeta. I don't know, man, like, you don't really think about it as a kid, but when you get older, it's just it's hard to miss that all these characters pretty much just look the same. And I don't understand why, because you can definitely stay within, I don't even have to change this so much, you can stay within the style and just you know, make the eyes a little bit different, or you know, adjust the nose a bit to, you know, fit everything a little bit better. Just trying to add enough of the background so you have to take like a second glance before you're looking at. Yeah, that's good. Let's see. Gohan. I mean, that is his son, so it would make sense that he would look like his dad. So let's see. And that if we can match one of the ears, the rest is good. The other funny thing about anime is that when these guys turn, the hair stays the same, so that definitely helps with just being able to take that same hair and just slapping it on. Let me take some of the black from here to, it's looking a little scary. Jeez, what's going on? Black is not coming up. Let me see. Yep, that works. I mean, I think it just looks weird because we are very zoomed in. Alright. Let's see. Airbrush. Gotta put those pants in here. I think that'll be simple enough. Let's see. At the belt, should be a blue. And then we can add some of these highlights. A little bit of the black here, maybe a little bit here. That's a little bit of work to try to. Let me see. Are people gonna be thinking about Piccolo's arm? I don't know. Maybe. I think that if I add just a little bit in the background like that, I think some of that can kind of pass it off as the real arm, right? We take maybe not so much that color, but that looks good. Let me zoom out. That'd be funny. Let's just add it to everybody. Let's add it to Piccolo. Might as well. Let's see. Yep. That works. Curious to see. You know, never thought about this till now, but I wonder how Piccolo would have looked if, or like Namix, how they would look if they had hair. That would be interesting. I don't think it would be like a black. It would I think it would probably be some other color that's not black. Maybe like a ginger color or something. I don't know, I'm curious to see how this is gonna look. I don't know if it'll look too well, but hey, definitely try. Sometimes you just don't know until you try it. That looks interesting. We might as well do Chaozu too, right? Let's see. Nah, he looks kind of cute. Yeah, I'll bring it up a bit. Yeah, that looks good. Let's zoom in a bit. All right, Chaozu, let's see. Got that going. Yeah, that works. So that is it. All is Goku. Let me see. see if I can bring this all the way up. So we can look at both. They look a lot alike, man. Anyway, I think some of them definitely look a little bit more like Goku, for example. Gohan, definitely Yamcha, Tien, and surprisingly even Piccolo. Anyway, this was a quick, fun video. I just wanted to see how they all would look with just Goku hair, so hope you guys liked it. Please share, like, and subscribe if you enjoy this, and let me know if you would like me to do anything else like this. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye.